Welcome to another huge H&M haul, and this is going to be some beautiful amazing pieces जो आप अपने regular wardrobe में incorporate करोगे, and you are going to see a huge difference. So let's get right into it. Now look, say no more girl, and this top has to be my recent crush, and that's it. Just wear it with a bralette or a crop top again and again and again, reuse. As my Gen Z friends would say, the outfit is outfitting. Hi guys, this is Ira, and in this video I'm going to show you some pieces that I got from H&M, and these are such amazing pieces कि ये styling pieces हैं, आपके regular wardrobe को इतना ज़्यादा enhance कर देंगे. And definitely one of the people who've known you for some time are going to ask you कि कुछ तो different है and will compliment you for your look for sure. So watch this video till the end. Also इसमें ना सबके लिए कुछ है. If you're an office girly, I'm gonna make sure that your look is elevated. If you're a college girly or your street style vibe, then there's something for you, and I'm gonna show you something really amazing that can enhance just about any of your look. Wardrobe में जो pieces होंगे उन्हीं को इतना ज़्यादा enhance कर देगा कि you will see. And if you're a vacation girly, which I guess we all are at one point in time, so let's start piece by piece. The first one is my favorite, the trousers section. So in the trousers section, these are two of my favorites, and I've included one for vacation and one for your office corporate. और इन दोनों में जो difference होगा natural normal trousers से मैं आपको बताऊंगी. So let's style it first. So this is an office going trouser, and if you notice from your regular trouser, there are no buttons over here and there's no zip, which gives you a very snatched fit on your waist. Let me style and show you. So this is the corporate grey mal trouser from H&M that I've ordered, and this is how I've styled it. इसका material इतना ज़्यादा amazing है. H&M पे ये 1500 का प्राइस है, बट अभी सेल पे आपको 999 का मिल रहा है. इसका material इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा है, और जो thickness है उसकी वजह से जो fall straight आता है ना, the crispness of this H&M के कुछ trousers में ये feel नहीं आती है, सब में नहीं आती है, but this one is tailored very well. और इसका सबसे अच्छा point which I'm gonna talk about is the absence of this button over here and the zipper. So if you are conscious about your lower section or mid section of your tummy, then this is something that is amazing grab for you. एक तो इसका color है, it is so appropriate for all seasons. अभी winter आएगा तो you can layer it with a white overcoat or a jacket. Blue, grey, light grey, all of those colors will go because ये neutral है. Even black overcoat will just look so nice and sunnies. Oh my god, out of a runway magazine. And because of the absence of these two things, it makes the stomach look so snatched. एंड साथ में जो इसकी बेल्ट है, इफ़ यू नोटिस, इट इज़ ब्रॉड, 2 फिंगर्स से ज़्यादा ब्रॉड है. उसकी वजह से ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा इल्यूजन क्रिएट करती है, एक ब्रेक देती है टॉप और लोअर पार्ट में. इट इज़ अमेजिंग इफ़ यू आर वेरी कॉन्शियस अबाउट दिस एरिया ऑफ योर बॉडी, एंड मेक्स यू लुक टॉलर बिकॉज it is really long. Look at this, how long. It's really long. अब इसके बाद मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ दूसरा trouser. This is this beautiful linen trouser. Pinstripes is so much in trend. It will make you look so tall, trendy and slim. This amazing trouser, and the favorite part of this one is एक तो इसका material is linen. Next is the pinstripes, and the third thing and the most amazing thing is कि इसको आप vacation की तरह भी style कर सकते हो. Just wear it with a bralette or a crop top. और इसको ऑफिस के साथ भी स्टाइल कर सकते हो. जस्ट वेयर अ पिन स्ट्राइप वेस्ट कोट और अ वाइट शर्ट. अभी मैंने इसको थोड़ा वेकेशन टाइप वाइट शर्ट्स की तरह स्टाइल किया. इफ यू जस्ट close the button till up and then tuck in the shirt, then it looks very office appropriate as well. Fabric is amazing. It's not that much see-through as well. This is in size small and it's cream and grey striped pinstripe trouser. और अभी ये फुल प्राइस पे 1500 का था, एंड ऑन सेल आई एम गेटिंग इट फॉर 999, एंड इट इज़ अ सच अमेजिंग डील क्योंकि ये प्रिंट ना अभी फैशन में है. बट देयर इज वन थिंग अबाउट पिन स्ट्राइप्स एंड पोल्का डॉट्स, वो कभी भी फैशन से या ट्रेंड से जाते नहीं है. दीज आर प्रिंट्स दैट विल ऑलवेज कम बैक. गिव इट 3 years 5 years, दे विल ऑलवेज कम बैक. तो पिन स्ट्राइप्स तो यार इतना ज़्यादा अमेजिंग प्रिंट है कि ऐसा एक ट्राउज़र तो आपकी वार्डरोब में होना ही चाहिए. और अगर ये वाइट है तो ये इतना वर्सेटाइल होगा, क्रीम या वाइट. सो इट्स अमेजिंग. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन विच इज टेलर्ड शॉर्ट्स. आई गॉट वन मोर. सो नेक्स्ट आई ऑर्डर दीज अमेजिंग टेलर्ड शॉर्ट्स, एंड देयर इज वन थिंग अबाउट टेलर शॉर्ट्स. अगर आपने मेरा पहले का भी वीडियो देखा होगा H&M हॉल वाला, मैं लिंक कर दूंगी अगर नहीं देखा है तो, उसमें भी मैंने ब्लैक टेलर्ड शॉर्ट्स और बेज टेलर्ड शॉर्ट्स ऑर्डर किए थे, एंड उस समय वाइट वाले इन स्टॉक नहीं थे. अभी ये वापस आ गए हैं. तो दीज आर सो अमेजिंग. जैसे ही आए मैंने सबसे पहले ऑर्डर किया मेरे साइज़ में, बिकॉज दीज आर सो अमेजिंग. जस्ट लुक एट इट. अभी मैंने यही शर्ट डेनिम वाले शॉर्ट्स के साथ पहनी होती, कूल लगती, बट बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंट नहीं लगती, बहुत ज़्यादा आउटस्टैंड नहीं करती, क्योंकि वाइट शर्ट डेनिम शॉर्ट्स तो सभी पहनते हैं. तो इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू लुक अ लिटिल डिफरेंट, गो फॉर अ टेलर्ड शॉर्ट्स. डेफिनेटली एक टेलर्ड शॉर्ट्स ऐड करो अपनी वार्डरोब में इफ़ यू वेयर शॉर्ट्स एंड यू लाइक वेयरिंग शॉर्ट्स. सो दिस इज इन size 8 in H&M और it is priced for 1900 rupees, almost 2000 का था, but in sale I got it for 999 rupees and it is amazing. I'm gonna so wear it and for so many more years I can see it because ये ऐसी चीज़ है, basics baby. So let's move on to the next one. Next are these socks. Oh my god, they are everywhere on Pinterest. These are so amazing. This black stripe on white socks just makes it look so Pinteresty, amazing, such a vibe it is. Just let me show you when I wear it on this look itself how it's gonna elevate the look. Now look, say no more girl, right? It's so amazing. Just look the way it elevates that outfit. Anyway, that outfit itself was very good, so it's just elevated it. इसको ना मैं और भी बहुत better तरीके से स्टाइल कर सकती हूँ. For now, अभी मैंने ये पहना हुआ था, so I just wanted to show you how it will go with this. But just imagine a white oversized hoodie or even your gym fit. It'll look so amazing. These socks are a vibe. And you wear it with your sneakers, white sneakers, black sneakers, any of those beige sneakers, and like a dress. It's like a t-shirt dress or a shirt dress. Oh my god, they look so amazing with that. So this is something that looks really nice. If you have like fitted tight shorts, like the gym shorts also with loose t-shirts will look very nice. जब winters हल्के हल्के आते हैं and you wear your shorts with oversized hoodies, oh my god, how nice it'll look with that and also keep you warm. So if you want to style it, also you can wear it on top of your leggings, you know, leggings पहने और उसके ऊपर चढ़ा के पहनते हैं, वो भी बहुत cool लगता है. If you're not into that much skin show, you're conscious about your thigh area, so you can style it like that on top of your leggings. It looks so amazing with little oversized loose t-shirts. So those are the multiple ways you can style these socks. If you like them, order them. They are for $799, 3 socks. So 3 pieces 799 के, you get 1 piece around 200 something. That is a very nice price because the quality is good. So when you order it, all you have to do is check your foot size और foot size के अकॉर्डिंग सॉक्स ऑर्डर करोगे तो उसकी फिट ना यहाँ से यहाँ तक भी बहुत स्नग आएगी और यहाँ से भी बहुत अच्छी फिटिंग आएगी, ग्रिप बहुत अच्छी होगी. Having said that, let's move on to the next section, that is tank tops and tops. I've ordered one amazing knitted top that I love, जो मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया था, वही ग्रे वाला जो मैंने ट्राउजर्स के साथ पहना था, and 2 other tank tops. Let me just show you. So this is the next one. This is a basic tank top that I've ordered. इसका मटेरियल बहुत अच्छा है. इसकी नेकलाइन मुझे इसलिए अच्छी लगी because it's a little more broad than your usual tanks जो यहाँ से शुरू होते हैं, तो उसकी वजह से it looks really nice and still nothing is showing. Everything is like really concealed and nice where it should be, and you still get a broader neckline. इसका मटेरियल बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है and it's priced at $699 और ये size small है. The fit is really nice and snug. अब आप देखो, this is what I was talking about. This short, I just changed a shirt, I changed another top, I'll change into 2 other tops in this shorts as well, and it'll just go on everything. And these socks are still looking so cool with it. As my Gen Z friends would say, the outfit is outfitting. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's a really slay look. Let me show you the next one. So this is the next white basic tank top that I ordered. Again, this from the same section. Iska bhi neckline, if you see, it's the same. It's just different color. It's the same top. And it is again $699 and size is small. The fit is very snug and nice, which I like. Tank tops mein aise hona chahiye ki like it should be really fitted, because anyway you're gonna layer it with a shirt or something that looks really nice. The shorts and the socks are still making the outfit look very good. So what I'm trying to tell you is that these are very versatile. If you get them, you can again and again reuse to create so many more outfits. So this is the next top that I ordered. It is priced for $14.99 or something, and this top has to be my recent crush, and this crush is going to go through winters as well because it is not your situationship crush. It is definitely like a relationship. So it's very beautiful. What I'm saying, jokes apart, it's really nice. It's slightly warm. मतलब warm नहीं है जैसे मैं अभी भी पहन सकती हूँ, लेकिन अगर winters में भी पहनूंगी तो I'll feel little snug, warm hugs type. The material is so amazing. इतना ज़्यादा soft है ये, and इसका color इतना प्यारा वाला grey है. This is the fine knit t-shirt in the color grey marl, dark grey marl, और it is also available in black. इसका fabric बहुत ही अच्छा है. अगर आप मंगाओगे तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा खुद पता चलेगा. It's very premium. ये 1500 कुछ का प्राइस है, बट अभी सेल में कुछ 700-800 तक का मिल रहा है, which is a grab deal for the kind of quality that it is. The neckline is such a nice crew neck, and it is very appropriate for your office wear for sure. It's a power look. इसका जो grey color है, it is so amazing. It's not like that dead grey जो ग्रेफाइट का मतलब जो सड़कों पे ग्रे होता है. It's like a very rich dark grey, very like nice wintry feeling. Next, I ordered this gorgeous mini skirt. It's in color black and size is 8, and the price is 1500, but on sale I got it for 799, which is 800 bucks. And this is so beautiful. I love it because it has a broad belt over here, which makes your waist